is
after this one. Yeah, this is different.
this is after the demister actually.
Yeah.
No, the
Before
other one
demister.
is downstream
No,
demister.
before,
This is
before
upstream
demister.
demister.
It is before demister. And
Yeah,
21.
this is down upstream.
No. Yeah, upstream of demister.
Upstream.
Yeah, so let us take it. Because PH and PL both are
same anyway.
same here.
Yeah, but it will be same, right? What is the cost of this one?
Correct.
The cost of this one is when you have also black ore or fully open. Black or fully open. PAH, PAL, right? So similar one.
No, this pH will happen if there's a blockage and outright, and if demister is blocked.
Yeah, see here, you have two potential costs for PAH, but on PAL it's just the same, right? When the PCB is fully open, you lose the downstream, which is on that flare, right? But on the high side PAH, you have whether that is closed or also blockage of this demister. Yes. Yeah, Sharma.
Yeah.
So now we go PAH.
What's the of report?
This PAH maybe high pressure.
Yeah, go to pressure high.
No, I think the blockage. We can see blockage or something. No flow.
Or no flow, no gas flow.
You can search tag number, no? So what's tag number? Is tag number?
0709 070906.
Maybe
It is here.
Yeah, there's more flow. More flow is
Malfunction
again
of
the
PCB.
function of this bulb open, right? What else is there?
Yes.
this is
FCB 709.
This is stripping gas, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, you have more flow in the stripping gas, you will have high pressure there, right?
Yeah. This can happen.
Yeah.
If FCB malfunction full open,
yes.
then more flow of gas. But this is more, this pressure is to prevent the over pressurization, and you have PSV. Correct, you are right here. This is important. Because more flow coming here, it is pressurizing here. This can create rupture, and you have got PSV.
Yeah, you have PSP anyway.
Yeah. So this
Can
is
you check
important.
it ASO? What else will be?
Screen or blockage.
Yeah, it should be there is a blockage also, right? I'm just
Yeah.